Imagine a world where one of the richest and most influential men on the planet uses his wealth not only to build rockets and electric cars but to watch, follow, and control the lives of those who cross him. What if behind the curtain of free speech advocacy, this tech mogul employed private investigators, drones, and cutting-edge surveillance to spy on those closest to him, or those who dared to criticize him? This is the world Elon Musk allegedly inhabits, and today we delve deep into the shocking revelations of covert spying, as unveiled in a new investigative podcast. From monitoring his ex-girlfriend, Amber Heard, with drones, to targeting a British cave explorer with baseless, damaging accusations, Musk's methods for retaliation seem as bold as his technological ambitions. Elon Musk is known for many things, being the mastermind behind Tesla, SpaceX, and now owning X, formerly known as Twitter. He's a billionaire, an innovator, and an outspoken advocate for free speech. Yet, behind this public persona lies a darker, more controversial narrative, one where Musk allegedly goes to extraordinary lengths to control information, suppress critics, and, shockingly, surveil those around him. In a recent investigation, Musk has been accused of hiring private investigators and deploying sophisticated technology to spy on individuals, including his former partner Amber Heard and Vernon Unsworth, a British cave explorer. The allegations paint a picture of Musk as a man who will stop at nothing to maintain control, even if it means resorting to covert operations that blur the lines of legality and morality. But how did things get to this point? Let's dive into the unraveling of Elon Musk's secret world of surveillance. Our story begins with Vernon Unsworth, the British cave explorer who played a crucial role in the 2018 Thai cave rescue that captivated the world. As the heroic rescuer of 12 trapped boys and their soccer coach, Unsworth was a national hero. Yet, his life took a sudden and dark turn when Musk entered the narrative. After Unsworth criticized Musk's impractical idea of using a mini-submarine to save the boys, Musk retaliated in the most unexpected way, by calling Unsworth a pedo guy on Twitter. What seemed like a brash, baseless insult soon spiraled into a full-blown defamation lawsuit. But there was more to this than just tweets. Musk, or those acting on his behalf, hired private investigators to dig into Unsworth's life, offering promises of surveillance, infiltrations, and data leaks that could discredit the caver. This extended far beyond a simple insult. Musk's team was determined to find, or create, damaging information on Unsworth. However, the investigators Musk hired were later revealed to be fraudsters, peddling false claims that still linger around Unsworth to this day, tarnishing his life and reputation. But Musk's alleged surveillance operations didn't stop there. Enter Amber Heard, Musk's former partner, and one of the most high-profile figures involved in Musk's personal life. During their relationship in 2017, while Heard was filming Aquaman in Australia, Musk reportedly grew suspicious of her fidelity. What followed, according to sources, was a covert operation involving drones, infrared cameras, and private investigators monitoring Heard's every move. For weeks, if not months, Musk's security team allegedly tracked Heard's movements at a cost of over $100,000. These surveillance measures seemed more fitting for a covert military mission than a private relationship, raising unsettling questions about how far Musk might go when he feels betrayed or questioned. Musk's alleged use of private surveillance wasn't limited to personal matters. Tesla employees have also spoken out about similar tactics being used within his companies. Martin Tripp, a Tesla employee suspected of leaking information, became another target. According to reports, Tesla's security team, under Musk's leadership, hacked into Tripp's phone, followed him around the clock, and monitored his communications in real time. These allegations from former Tesla executives paint a picture of a work environment where surveillance is wielded as a tool of control, ensuring that no internal critic or whistleblower can act without Musk's knowledge. What's most disturbing is the breadth and scale of these operations. Whether it's using sophisticated technologies to track a former lover or employing rogue investigators to defame a critic, Musk's reach seems boundless. While Musk has long positioned himself as a champion of free speech, these stories suggest a more complex and paradoxical character, one that tightly controls the narratives around him, often using invasive and unethical methods. For those like Vernon Unsworth and Amber Heard, the consequences of crossing Musk are far-reaching, with reputations and personal lives forever altered. Elon Musk is undeniably one of the most influential figures of our time, a visionary shaping the future of space exploration, electric vehicles, and digital communication. But the allegations surrounding his use of private investigators, surveillance technology, and personal vendettas reveal a man who is as complicated as he is brilliant. The stories of Vernon Unsworth, Amber Heard, and others suggest that Musk's appetite for control extends far beyond his corporate empire, affecting personal relationships and public perceptions alike. As more details come to light, we are left with a disturbing question: what does it mean when one of the world's most powerful men uses his immense resources not just to innovate, but to spy and suppress? Only time will tell how these revelations impact Musk's legacy, but one thing is certain: his story is far from over.